Hey everyone, it's the month of February and the Handy Bros Heroes are back at it again. You might recognize this house. We were here in December for the 12 Days of Giving. We were supposed to build a ramp, but some plans have changed. Follow me inside and see what we have in store.
Will it help you get outside more and to enjoy the weather?
Yeah.
Yeah? And make life easier for us?
Yeah.
Yeah? And are we very thankful for this?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, we have decided to sell the house and move back to Walkerton, where we have lots of support. Unfortunately, down here in Chatham, we have no support to help with Wyatt. And thanks to Handy Brothers, instead of building the ramp for us, which we were very thankful for, they've agreed to help get the house ready for resale.
Although we didn't get to build the ramp as promised, the Handy Bros Heroes were still able to help Allison and Wyatt in this way. If we've learned anything at all in the last year, we've learned that times can be tough, and often in life, we're forced to change our plans. Hopefully, from the help of the heroes, this fresh paint job can assist in the sale of their home, taking one more burden from off their plate. From the team here at Handy Bros, we wish you nothing but the best on this new journey in life.
All right, so we've got the base coat on, 2 coats of paint, trim is started to be painted, and that's our after lunch project, is to finish the trim.
With Allison and Wyatt's plans changing and them having to move back closer to family, the Handy Bros Heroes came in and quickly taped, painted, and refreshed the interior of this home. It'll soon be listed. Let's check it out.